Hey yo! What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So we're gonna go to Poland today, and we're gonna react to Justyna Steczkowska. This song is called GAJA. Rah, rah, rah! Guys, I'm excited. Like, I was eager to get some more of what she's capable of. And to see her read thus far, bro, it's a pleasure to be here. So, people, with that being said, let's all go to Poland together. One question to anyone who is watching this video knows our Jamaican legend who's called Bob Marley. Please let me know how much of y'all knows that man, and let's all traverse together to this performance, right here. Peace.
Moje serce ty, który moją miłość masz za nic, naznaczyłeś sobą mnie.
Okay. Rah, rah, rah. Nice. I know she's capable of doing great things, bro. I know she's capable of doing great things. When it comes on to the performance, when it comes on to the dancing, she's always making such huge, impactful dominance, bro.
Samotności krzyk, mojego. Jestem Bogiem, siłą moją, matką miłość. Kiedy płaczę do łza, to nie świat, tulę w swych ramionach zaginiony czas.
Yo, what an incredible voice, bro. Oh my goodness. Yo, she's incredible, bro. She's incredible. What sweet vocalist, man. Wow.
Jestem stwórcą twego ja, duszy zgubą, twoim ocaleniem. W krwiobiegu płynie czas, święta woda zmywa przeznaczenie. They call me God. I'm the love, I'm the life of all imagined.
Yo, oh my god, yo. She's magical, bro. She's magical. Like, ain't no freaking way. Bro, we have ourselves one of the best contestants in this Eurovision contest, bro. I gotta say, she's gonna be a dominance in this era of Eurovision 2025. She'll make major moves, bro, because what I'm seeing now is fantastico. Fantastic. Oh my goodness. Yo, to hold their breath so long with such precision of breath control, right? That's terrific. That's not something you see every day. That's something beautiful. That's talent. She's talented, man. Rah, 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 rah. multi-talented, a promising female with great artistry. She's marvelous, bro. What a terrific voice. What superb performance. This is quite remarkable, man. Oh my gosh, yo. She is too bad. She's too bad. She's too bad. In Jamaica, if something is going greatly, we say it's bad. Not bad in bad way, but bad mean it's dope. It's dope. Nice. I gotta say, I love the formation of the videoing. I love the formation of the dance. You all know what they've done. It's something unforgettable, right? With all those movement, the foot, the hands, all their positions. That's beautiful, bro. Right? It's like they are in a ballet class dancing, right? They are too good, man. Too good. Too good, bro. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another reaction. So stay tuned, hit the bell icon, and peace.